Every course in Moodle has its own gradebook, and you can access the Moodle gradebook for your course by going down to the administration block and clicking Grades. Students see this link as well, and they can see their grades for that particular course. As a teacher, if we click the Grades link, we are taken to, by default, the grader report. And here we see down on the left the list of our students. We only have one here. And then any gradable activities which we've set up in the course. In week 3, we set up an assignment, describe yourself, and a quiz, an orientation quiz. The grades they get for their activities are totaled to become the course total. Moodle's gradebook is very powerful, and what you see will depend on the settings of your administrator. So, for example, to access other elements of the gradebook here, we have a drop-down menu, but you might have yours in tabs with these elements in tabs. We'll just look at a few items. User report, for example, allows you to select one particular student and just focus on their grades. Another element which is useful is the categories and items view. If your class has done some work outside of Moodle and you would like them to be graded within Moodle, then you can add it as a manually graded item from here. Similarly, if you want to categorize your grades into, for example, reading grades, listening grades, you can set up categories here also, and then you have category totals as well as a course total. Another thing that's possible is to create your own personalized scales from the Scales link. So instead of using Moodle's default 1 to 100 scale, you could create a word scale, for example, pass, merit and distinction, or in my French course, French words according to their achievements. Scrolling down, we can see also that we can import and export grades. So just because our gradebook is on Moodle doesn't mean that it has to be. And we could export the grades into a spreadsheet and then edit them in our spreadsheet and even print them off. And finally, in preferences, we can decide how we want our grades to be displayed for ourselves.